bueno, are you relax? Are you red? Are you chair? Are you table? Are you eating?
Welcome to Playa Hollywood. This is Cartagena's most notorious beach, and trust me, it's notorious for a reason. This is where wildness and wrongness meet. This is nothing like the other beaches in Cartagena or anywhere else in Colombia. Playa Hollywood is the locals' playground. It's a mix of tension, fun, hustle, and pure Caribbean energy. Let's be honest. Playa Hollywood is not the kind of beach where you go to relax in silence. It's alive, it's noisy, it's real Cartagena. It's a full sensory overload. This place sits just beside Bocagrande, Cartagena's modern skyscraper-lined neighborhood. It's a short walk from the city's luxury hotels, but once you step here, man, it feels like a completely different world. Drinks, food, massages, it's like a movie market under the sun. You might even get offered a special massage within the first 5 minutes. They're everywhere, and the truth is, many of them actually are great at what they do.
Bro,
Cartagena's beaches aren't just about the ocean, they're about the people.
you babe, okay?
Here you don't need a schedule. You just sit down, grab a chair, and the beach comes to you. Now, if you're wondering when to come, get here around 3 or 4
Let
p.m.
me just come back, man. I think I'm leaving.
That's when the heat starts to drop, the music gets louder, and the party vibe really kicks in. You'll see locals and tourists blending together, sharing drinks, stories, and laughs. It's got that free, slightly chaotic charm. That's why some people call it Cartagena's Freeland. And about safety, yes, Playa Hollywood is under constant police surveillance. That's a visible presence here every day. So while it's wild, it's also one of the safest beaches to hang out as long as you keep common sense. There are bars along the sand too, small, loud, and full of personality. You can grab a pina colada, fried fish, or shrimp cocktail while watching the sunset. And yeah, you'll meet all kinds of characters here.
Water, yeah.
Previously this year, not too long ago, Playa Hollywood was actually closed down. Authorities shut it temporarily because one of the main bars didn't have all the proper permits. And since that bar was kind of the heart of the beach scene, the whole area slowed down for a while, but things have changed. The issues got sorted and the beach is reopened and is back stronger and better organized. And there you go again. More massages. And they're actually good. If you're a massage type of person, definitely that's the way to go.
Tomorrow, maybe. You're always here?
If you want a slice of raw Cartagena, Playa Hollywood it is. It's intense, it's unpredictable, and it's unapologetically real. It isn't polished, it is not a perfect beach, but this is the people beach, alive, imperfect, and full of stories. If you've been here before, drop a comment, tell me what your experience was like, and if you're planning to come, don't overthink it, man. Pack your sunscreen and bring some pesos and let Playa Hollywood show you what freedom really feels like. Because in Cartagena, this is where the city comes alive. So no one really knows who named it Hollywood, but some people say it started as a joke. Tourists acting like celebrities, others claim it was marketing trick just to make it sound glamorous. Either way, it's stuck. And forget luxury cabanas or quiet beach clubs. Playa Hollywood is raw, unfiltered energy. The mood is clearly a mix of fun, flirtation, people out enjoying. So you might be asking yourself how to enjoy this place smartly. Okay, you still want the full vibe? Here are smart moves. Go early. Before 3 p.m., you grab your spot, the chairs, enjoy simple, fewer restrictions. And you have to ask the prices up front. Chair rental, massage, drinks, anything you want to get, ask clearly. And avoid sketchy deals at night. If someone says VIP party, come now, and seems off plan, be cautious. Now, the exit plan. After dark, pick a reputable taxi or car service. Avoid being stranded on the beach alone. Be respectful. The ladies, the vendors, the music scene, all part of the moment. Bottom line is you can still have the premium party beach experience, but with one eye on your surroundings and one ear on the music. So there you have it, Playa Hollywood. The massages, the drinks, the party poles, the ladies, the police presence, and now the big intervention. If you're heading here, come ready, man. Stay alert. Enjoy the moment because the moment is real and it's changing. Hit the like button if you're planning a trip to Cartagena. Comment below if you've been here, seen the change yourself, and subscribe for more beach and party travel deep dives. See you on the next beach or club or downtown, just nightlife. But today, let's just soak this one. Cheers from Playa Hollywood. Stay tuned.
No, no, Chacha, lo digo Emanuel también le digo lo mismo.
Allí, vamos a esperar los chicos por allí. pausa la reproducción porque the party, the beach.
Thank you, bro.
Una fu amiga.
Thank you, bro.
¿Que la avisaras tú? No, que él me avisará cuando fuera.